और ये तस्वीर बेहद अहम है। दिल्ली में भारत और अमेरिका के रक्षा मंत्री और विदेश मंत्रियों की बैठक शुरू हो चुकी है। 2+2 मीटिंग, इसे बेहद अहम माना जा रहा है क्योंकि दुनिया में जहां एक तरफ इजराइल हमास के बीच युद्ध चल रहा है, वहीं भारत और अमेरिका के बीच ये 2+2 की बातचीत पर न सिर्फ इन दोनों देशों की निगाह है बल्कि पूरी दुनिया की निगाह है कि आखिर इस अहम मुलाकात और बैठक में क्या बड़े फैसले दोनों देश लेते हैं।
And intelligence cooperation. Defense remains one of the most important pillars of our bilateral relationship. Your visit to India is at a time when India and US are closer than ever before. In spite of various emerging geopolitical challenges, we need to keep our focus on the important and long-term issues. Our partnership is critical for ensuring a free, open, and rules-bound Indo-Pacific region. We look forward to closely working with the US across the domains of defense for capability building and for an abiding partnership which can address emerging challenges. I look forward to an engaging and enriching discussions today. Now I invite my counterpart, Secretary Austin, to make his opening remarks. Thank you very much.
Well, good morning. It's great to be back in India. Secretary Blinken, Minister Singh, Minister Jaishankar, we're meeting at a time of great momentum. In the United States and India partnership. In the face of urgent global challenges, it's more important than ever that the world's two largest democracies exchange views, find common goals, and deliver for our people. We've made impressive gains in building our major defense partnership over the past year, and that will help us contribute even more together to the cause of peace and stability. We're integrating our industrial bases, strengthening our interoperability, and sharing cutting-edge technology. The scope of our cooperation is vast. As our ambassador is fond of saying, it stretches from the seabed to space. And of course, the strength of our partnership is rooted in the people-to-people ties that are the heart of our long-standing friendship. Together, our diplomats, entrepreneurs, and students are expanding our partnership in new domains, including clean energy, artificial intelligence, and semiconductors. Our increasingly strong ties give us all hope for the future of this partnership and for our common efforts toward a more secure world. So I look forward to today's discussions and to an ambitious agenda that will keep moving our partnership into the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Secretary Austin. Colleagues, this visit is part of an intense diplomatic engagement between our two countries. And its highlight this year was the Prime Minister's historic state visit to the United States in June, which has truly opened a new chapter in our relationship. President Biden's visit to Delhi in September contributed immensely as well to the positive trajectory of our ties. His support was key to ensuring productive outcomes at the G20 summit. The dialogue today will be an opportunity to advance the vision of our respective leaders, building a forward-looking partnership while we construct a shared global agenda. In the 2+2, we will undertake, as we have done before, a comprehensive overview of cross-cutting strategic defense and security ties, technology and supply chain collaborations, and people-to-people exchanges. Our meeting takes place even as we make rapid strides in all aspects of our bilateral agenda. Our trade is today in excess of $200 billion. FDI is rising in both directions. 270,000 Indian students study in the United States, and we have a diaspora of 4.4 million. We are exploring domains such as critical technologies, civil outer space collaboration, and critical minerals, even while consolidating established domains. Raksha Mantri ji has highlighted new elements of our defense cooperation, including industry collaboration and innovations. A key focus of our discussions today will be the Indo-Pacific region. As we all know, India and US are key members of the Quad, which is scheduled to meet at a leaders level early next year in India. Similarly, we are also engaged in other plurilateral frameworks which reflect our strategic convergences, such as the IPEF, I2U2, and the recently launched IMEC. In context of the ongoing global developments, I look forward to exchanging views about developments in West Asia, Middle East, and Ukraine, amongst others. Once again, I welcome you, Secretary Blinken and Secretary Austin, and laud both of you for your friendship and for your support for our ties. May I now request Secretary Blinken to deliver his opening remarks.